We talked about air pressure. Now we're going to look at how it's related to wind. So, guys, what is wind?
It moves.
It moves. What's moving?
The air pressure. The air.
The air, right? Wind is air that's moving. So it blows, it hits us, we feel it. Wind is air that moves. But what causes the wind? What pushes it?
Air pressure.
Air pressure, exactly. Because push was the key word. If you were to push on my hand, you're putting pressure, right?
Yeah.
So it is air pressure that causes the air to move and make the wind that we feel. So we're going to demonstrate how that works, because it's really differences in air pressure. So we're using height to show air pressure. So this big stack of books, this is a high pressure area. The smaller stack of books, this is a lower pressure area. So if this is an air molecule, what's going to happen if we put it in between the high and low pressure areas?
It's going to go down.
It's going to go down, right? Okay, let's try that. Okay, so the air went from the high to the low pressure. And that makes sense, right? Things get pushed by high pressure and they want to go to areas of low pressure. So the difference in pressure is about this much. So that would be kind of a normal day. This kind of a wind might be a soft breeze, maybe 10 miles per hour. But when is there a time when it's windier?
It gets really windy outside.
Yeah, and what do we call it when it gets really windy outside? A storm, yeah. And storms form when there's lower air pressure. So we're going to show that. Can you two take those books and put them behind us? Thank you. All right, so now we have a lower pressure zone over here, but this is the same. So now we've got a difference of this much. So what's going to happen to our air molecule now?
It's going to go faster.
It's going to go faster. Can you put it in there for us? All right. So with a bigger difference in air pressure, that air molecule went flying a lot faster. So in a storm with a big pressure difference, you can get winds of 40 or 50 miles an hour. So that might break tree branches. We really feel that. Okay, what's like the most intense kind of storm you can think of?
Hurricane.
Hurricane, right? Hurricanes have crazy low pressure in the middle. So let's do that. Can you take this and put it on the ground there for me? Thank you. And can you come hold this? Awesome. Okay. So with this crazy difference in air pressure, what's going to happen to our air molecule?
It's going to go down faster.
Yeah. All right. Can you put it in there for us? Whoa! It flew right out of the bowl. Okay. So with a hurricane, with this crazy difference in air pressure, this is how you can get 70, 80, 100 mile per hour winds or more, because there's this really huge difference in air pressure. So the next time you're walking around on a windy day, you can say to your friends, "My, there's a big difference in air pressure today." You guys gonna do that?
Yes.
Yes!